Welcome to Malkani's Mantra. Today the mantra will take you to an ancient principle, a spiritual truth, a fact that every great master has known, from Krishna to Buddha to Jesus Christ. And today you hear it sitting in your home in front of the TV. To live a life God-size, understand that everything in existence is interconnected. It is interdependent on each other. No single person, entity or object lives by itself. Everything is dependent on everything else. There is a certain connection between all of us, whether we can see it or not. A simple way to understand this concept is this: even as you sit where you are, remember that what keeps you alive has been shared by everybody else around you. What am I talking about? I am talking about your breath, your prana, this air that you breathe. Remember that now as you breathe it, it has also been taken in by many other people before you are taking it in. That same air is what keeps you alive. That air, that breath which has gone into somebody else's body and then has been given out is now going into your body and will be given out and will be taken in by somebody else. Energies are also shared all the time. As you are sitting there listening to me, what are you doing? What am I doing? I am sitting here talking to you, you are listening to me, we are sharing energies. You can see me and I am talking to you, you can hear me, we are sharing energies. This connection of interdependence, interconnection between everything in life is a very ancient spiritual truth. You must use it by understanding it. When I say you must use it, what I mean is this, that never ever feel that it does not matter in your life what you do to others or what you put out into this world. Whatever you do to others, remember, will affect you because you are interconnected. Therefore, if you want to create a certain reality around yourself, you have to do the same thing for others. You have to give them that very thing which you want yourself. If you want harmony and peace, you cannot create unpeace or disharmony for others. If you want love for yourself, you cannot give fear and hatred to others. If you want abundance, remember, you cannot take away from others, you must give to others. This is the central principle of my philosophy, also the yoga of wealth. That whatever you want is what you have to give out. This is what you have to create. You cannot take away anything by taking it away from people. You can only get it by giving to people. Understanding this simple principle that we are all part of one universe, one big huge energy system, and then learning to use it will make you live a life God-size.